Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Kalma Healing. Today we are here to do the reading for the week that is the coming week, the festival week, the Diwali week that is starting from the 1st of November till the 7th of November. 2nd November is Dhanteras, so that's where basically the Diwali starts. And wishing you in advance a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year to all my subscribers. And let's begin our reading. But before we start our reading, I would like you to please go ahead and like my YouTube channel. I am on Insta as well as on Facebook, so please go ahead and like my channel there too. So let's go ahead and with a very positive note, let's go ahead and begin our reading. And let's start with the first sign, and that is the sign Aries. So we'll go ahead and start with the sign Aries. First, let's shuffle the cards. So we are going to go ahead and do the reading for the week of 1st of November till the 7th of November. So let's begin with the sign Aries. So we are going to go ahead and do the sign Aries. So 3 cards for the people born under the sign Aries. Let's go ahead and do it. Quick 3 cards. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, people born under the sign of Aries, let's start with the finance first. This week is good for your finance. I see finance coming to you, financial growth coming to you. Also, very satisfaction kind of a week for you guys, because financially also there is enough that you can say is coming to you. So yes, definitely a positive financial week, but there is like some kind of some kind of negativity, not you can say negativity, but a stop coming to you in your way kind of a thing. There is a person who is very you can say very controlling kind of thing in your family or somewhere, that is going to be a little problem for you this week. Also, where the female energies there is very active this week, so you will have advantage from some female in your house, maybe a woman or anyone that is going to be very lucky for you this week. Also, I see a news coming, maybe some news regarding fertility or something like a new baby, or maybe if you have been trying to conceive, then yes, definitely this is the positive week for you guys. Also, where your career is concerned, the growth is there, but like I told you, this week is somewhere where the person who is a little bossy kind of is going to control your life. So maybe it can be a boss or some person at the workplace might cause you some kind of tension this week. So where career is concerned, just take it easy. Don't let anyone irritate you. Or where your finance is concerned, definitely a go relationship. Yes, the relationship looks normal. I don't see any too good a relationship or too bad a relationship. It's as normal as it was going. So that's it for Aries. Now we are going to go ahead and pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Taurus. So people born under the sign of Taurus, this week is good for you. I will not say it is bad. This week is bad for you. Financially, definitely a growth, finance coming to you from somewhere. Excitement for that money is going to be there for you this week, so that is not a problem. But then it is going to come with some kind of stress. This festival season, you will be under a little bit of stress, little bit of worry somewhere, so it won't be a peaceful week for you. But I wouldn't say it won't be an enjoyable week, because this is a positive week. Everyone has holidays, so somewhere you're going to enjoy definitely, because your finance is great. It is coming to you. Relationship looks normal, career looks normal, so there is nothing much to worry about. Just take it easy and don't take too much stress. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Gemini. People born under the sign of Gemini, definitely where I see your finance perfect, very good finance. You have been saving. This is the week that whatever you'll get, you're going to save. So financially, yes, you will see some kind of growth happening, but you have to be very, very careful where your relationship is concerned. There is some negativity around around it, so you have to be very, very careful with that, because there is this negativity that might affect your relationship, that might affect your work somewhere. So this week is definitely good where your finances concerned, you can say money is concerned, but career wise also, it as far as the cards are, it's okay. But yes, definitely relationship, you have to be very, very careful about the relationship coming to you. Or if you are in a relationship, then there are chances that there will be negativity surrounding you. So just stay protected this week. So there will be, at least this festival week, you will be protected. And health wise, if I see, there is nothing that you have to worry about. I won't say anything that will affect you, just the negativity is going to affect you, so just be very careful about it. Now we'll go ahead and do Cancer. So we are going to go ahead and do Cancer. 3 cards for people born under the sign Cancer. Okay, definitely a very good week for you, but this Diwali, this week, the festival week, the card is suggesting that you do some kind of donation, feed the poor, feed the needy. This week is, if you feed the poor, this week is going to be superb for you. Of course, there is going to be a celebration coming to your way, something to celebrate. Maybe this Diwali you're buying something new, maybe a house, maybe a car, or anything new is coming in your life and you're going to celebrate for that. So this is a good week for you. But where career is concerned, there is still a wait, a delay in whatever you have been expecting from your career or business that you have been looking for. So if you do the remedy that the card has suggested you, like donate the needy or poor people, feed the poor, whether the blockage is going to not be there anymore, and you will see a difference coming this week. It is a good card because you are going to celebrate. It is a good week, in fact, because this week you are in that celebration mode. You will be celebrating something new coming in life. Finance is stable, it shouldn't be a problem. Career wise, there is a weight that is coming. Health looks fine, but definitely relationship, there is happiness coming in your way. Now we'll go ahead and pull 3 cards for Leo. 3 cards for people born under the sign Leo. People born under the sign of Leo, this week is like a go happy kind of a week for you. It's like something that you just want to shut everything down and just enjoy this Diwali, or enjoy this festival season but in this thing you have to be very, very careful about your health. Where your legs are concerned, you might hurt your legs, or you might it might be, you might be having leg pain, because maybe this is a festival week, so you might be maybe running around too much or something like that. So just be very careful about your legs are concerned. But this is a week where you are just going to shut down everything of yours and just have fun. But at that moment, just be very, very careful that you don't do or don't fall into a trap or something like that can affect you in future. Definitely growth in the career is seen, so this week is going to bring you a good bonus maybe, or a good growth in the career. Also health, like I told you, the leg is a problem. Finance is stable, I don't see any financial issue coming your way. Growth definitely in the career is there, and health looks fine. Now we'll go ahead and do Virgo. 3 cards for people born under the sign Virgo. People born under the sign of Virgo, this week is going to be a little stressful for you. A week where you're going to take a lot of burden, because I think a lot of responsibility is going to come to you this week. So take it easy. Emotional wise also, I think you have been expecting something to come this week, like maybe it's Diwali, it's festival season, so there you were expecting something where your relationship are concerned. But very, very sorry to say, there are chances of them happening are little less, but always be positive about it. You never know what the universe has stored for you. But right now, whatever the cards is telling me is you have to be very, very careful about your relationship with anyone in your family or your loved ones, because there is some issue that is showing coming to you this week. and you are going to take too much burden this week. So just take it easy, be positive. Also, there will be sleep disturbance coming to you this week, so please, Virgo people, just take care of that, because if you will not getting sleep, then there will be headaches and there will be health related issues coming your way. But don't worry, this is a week of all positive energies, so it is not that you are not going to enjoy or have any kind of problems, but definitely you are taking too much stress, and you will be taking too much stress, and burden is coming to you this week. But deal with it with positivity and patience, and this shall go. For the people born under the sign of Libra, this week looks fine with them. Just be very, very careful about the negativity. Definitely, wherever you're growing, the career is seeing a growth, So there are people who are not happy for that, who are jealous of you. So you have to be, where career is concerned, be very careful about the growth happening there. Also, where your relationship are concerned, I see some kind of issues coming in your relationship. It's not a happy relation, or you may say it won't be that happy. It's a normal relationship week, you can say, coming this week. There are a lot of people you're going to meet this week, of course, and there is a lot of enjoyment because coming to your way. But there are people who judges you a lot too, so there is something that is going to disturb you this week, and you have to be careful about it, because that might bring you more stress and more you can say temper, basically. So first thing that you have to be very careful where career is concerned is with the people who are not your well-wishers, the negativity. The relationship looks fine, nothing like too good or too bad. Health looks okay, but once you go ahead and protect yourself and think positive, it shall pass away. And be very, very careful about the people who judge you. Your health looks fine, your finance looks normal, nothing too great or too bad about it. And the relationship, just take it as it comes. Now we are going to pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Scorpio. If I see people born under the sign of Scorpio, I definitely see finance increasing, finance coming from somewhere. So definitely this week of receiving good finance. Also travel, so this travel is indicated. So this week, you will make a travel or a trip somewhere for fun, for meeting family, for it's something like you're going on a vacation kind of a thing that is coming to you this week. But there are a lot of things that you are not seeing properly, you are not paying attention. So this week is the week that will make you realize that, and you might make some mistakes that you need to be very, very careful because you were not paying attention to it. Definitely a week of enjoyment. Finance growth is there. Relationship is super because you are going on a vacation, maybe on a trip somewhere to meet your near and dear ones, all get together. So that's a very good sign. But just be very careful, keep your eyes and ears open around you before you make any decision or before you go through any major a contract or something like that. So finance definitely encouraged, relationship very good relationship, health looks fine, there shouldn't be a problem where your health is concerned. Career, like I told you, there are some instances where you might not see what is coming to you, or you might not check it properly, so just be very careful about it. Now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for people born under the sign Sagittarius. People born under the sign Sagittarius, this is the month of, this is the week that is for meeting your extended family, or you can say people in the family like your grandfather, grandmother, and elderly people in the family. So this is the week that is going to bring them to you. It is going to be a all get together. So relationship wise, it is good, but then there are mixed emotions coming with the relationship this week. So sometimes that you will be happy, sometimes you will be in joy, but sometimes there is a moment where it might have a setback and you might feel sad at that moment. So that emotional ups and downs are there, but relationship is going to be fine, don't worry. It's just the emotions that might affect you a little bit. Finance definitely coming your way. You are going to meet a lot of, like I told, old people. Your support is going to come from some elderly this week. The elderly person might guide you somewhere, or you might ask for advice to them. So this is the week where all this is coming to you. So where your health is concerned, I don't see any problems where your health is concerned. Finance is fine, relationship is fine, and career is as normal as it was. Now we are going to go ahead and do 3 cards for people born under the sign Capricorn. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Capricorn. For the people born under the sign of Capricorn, this is the week where, of course, it's a happy moment for everyone, but there are chances where you will be stressed a little, juggling your financial condition, because the finance is something that you need to balance this week. You will feel that there is finance, but then it is not used at the proper place or something, so you need to keep it properly somewhere where it gives you a benefit in the future. So that all thoughts and that thinking is going to affect you this week. So you'll be juggling where your finance is concerned. Relationship is not showing a good card, so I would say if you're in a relationship, be patient and let this week go and you will be fine. But don't get into a new relationship this week, because there are chances that there will be a heartbreak. Also, I see this week there is some major change coming in your life, but that major change will be sudden and you won't be happy doing that. Some changes are such that we are happy, going to a new house, buying a new car or something like that, but this changes that is coming to you this week might be a sudden change, and you might have to move or you might have to do something very suddenly, but not with a happy note. So just be okay, just be patient this week. Let the week go, and with all the positive energies that the universe is sending this week, I think this will be okay for you. You will pass this week fine. I don't see any major issues coming, but just take care of little things coming to you this week. Now we are going to go ahead and do 3 cards for Aquarius. People born under the sign Aquarius, this week shows a growth, but not such a growth where you have been waiting for this growth for quite a long time and it's not coming, and I still see that wait this week. So just be patient. Of course, there is a growth, a forward movement coming to you where your relationship are concerned, or where you are in a relationship, and if you feel that it's not going, this is a week where you will feel okay, now there is a forward moment in this. But emotionally somewhere you are drained, you will feel low this week, and there are chances that you might feel that you don't have any friends and you don't have any family around you to enjoy this Diwali. So somewhere there you might be with your family. I'm not saying that you won't be with your family or something like that, but still that happy moment or the happiness that should come from within, you might not see that happiness this week. Also, there is a weight in the growth coming to you. Forward movement is there, but it will not be as smooth as you think. So there might be some obstacles in your way that will come in that moment, but definitely there is a growth, so you don't have to worry about this week. Just be happy in this positive moment in this festival season, and everything will be okay. Now we go ahead and do 3 cards for Pisces. People born under the sign Pisces, this week is going to be a week of celebration. You are going to celebrate with your family. You are going to enjoy this week. So this week, whatever career, whatever finance, but you are going to enjoy. So this week is enjoyment week for you, but you have to be very, very careful about elderly female health in your family, maybe your mother, your grandmother. There are chances, that they might feel sick or something major can happen. So just be very careful. It's not necessary it should happen, but just be very, very careful about their health. Definitely a growth is showing in the career, and you will hear some good news coming to you in this week or maybe next week, where your growth is definitely there. So this week, where I see a finance, it's a normal week for you, but you are going to enjoy with your family, your friends, and it's going to be a very happy week for you. Growth definitely there in your career. Health wise, you have to be careful about the elderly women in your family. Otherwise, the week is all happy and happening for you this week. So that's it for this week, the Diwali week. Again, I wish everyone a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. Hope all your wishes come true and the universe blesses you with all the positivity. And like I always tell you, please go ahead and subscribe, like my YouTube channel. I am on Insta as well as on Facebook. Please go ahead and like my page there. Enjoy your week, have fun, and like I always tell you, I love you.